So this is the style I'll be making today. This headband is very easy to make, simple. Within 45 minutes, you are done with it. So this time around is not the time to waste fabric. This time around, no wasting of fabric. So use any of your fabric to do something like this. You're gonna love it. In fact, when I was making this style, this video, I joined the pieces. I joined it for me to get this style, because I don't want to waste any of my fabric at all. I want to use my fabric to get something. Like this one, I joined it. So you can join your own and get something like this very good. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how I make this style step by step in a way that we understand it very easy. It's very easy. Within 45 minutes, we are done with it. And guess what? Please, before watching this my video, just help me. Subscribe on this my channel. Subscribe. Like. So this is the fabric I'll be needing. I'll be needing 3 pieces of fabric on this video. So this one is the main fabric. The length is 43. Yes, 43. The length of this one is 43. The length is 43. But you can use 45. You can use 48. Depends how full you want it to be. But in this tutorial, I'll be using 43 for the length of this one, and the wideness, the width is I'll be using 8 inches. 8 inches for the wideness. While the length is 43. The length is 43. While the wideness is 8 inches. So I'll be teaching this video step by step in a way that you will understand it. It's very, very easy to understand. So, like I said, I'll be needing 2 pieces of fabric for it. This one is the one I'll be using. I will put elastic on this one. Why this one is the inner lining? Yes, it's the inner line. This is the inner lining. This one is for the elastic. So the elastic I'll be using is 7 inches. The elastic is 7 inches. So the wideness of this the inner lining, the length of the inner lining is, the length is 15 inches. 15 inches for the length, while the wideness is 3 inches. So 15 inches for the length, 15 inches for the length, while the wideness of it is 3 inches. So the same thing with this inner lining, 3 inches by 15 inches by 15 inches. So I'm going to be starting it now. Like I said, the elastic is 7 inches. 7 inches. 7 inches. Don't cut more than that. 7 is okay. The wideness of it is 1 inches. So this particular, the main fabric, I will be folding it into 2 like this. I fold it into 2 like this. I'll fold it all the way down. Look at how I fold it like this. And fold it again like this. See what I did here? I fold into 2 like this. And it's like this, and I take it from this upper side here and bring it to this upside and fold it like this. So you're gonna give me this form. It's gonna be like this. I folded it. So it's what I'm going to do now. Make sure it's equal parts. So I will use my tape proof and measure. Don't measure from the folding side. Measure for this open side here. You measure from up like this, 1.5 inches. Yes, 1.5 inches like this. I measure 1.5. Take it to like this, to 7 inches. To 7 inches from here to here. So I use my ruler and make straight line. Just a straight line. I'm going to be cutting it like this. I'll cut it to this side. Before cut it, you make sure you use a pin to hold it to avoid shifting. I've used pin to pin it. After that, I use my scissors and cut it. So I've cut it. After that, I bring it to this side. Remove the pin. See how it looks. See the shape. So I'm going to be sewing it like this. I will sew from this side. Just 1/4. Sew 1/4 straight to this side. I will also sew this elastic one here. Remember, this is the length is 15, while the wideness is 3. I said it again. The length of this the length is 15. The length is 15, while the wideness is 3. So I will take it to the machine now to go and sew it. Now fold it like this. Fold it into 2 like this. I will fold into 2 and sew 1/4 inch. Remember, this is where the elastic will be passing. Remember, when you are sewing it, or you just sew just 1/4 because of the elastic. So this one is the inner lining. I'm not going to be putting elastic on this one. This one is going to be inside the main fabric. So I will take it to the machine now and make a stitch of it. So I've sewed it here. So I'm going to be turning it outside. I've sewed the three pieces of the fabric. So I will bring it out for you to see it. You can use your hand to do it. It's not too tiny like that. You can use your scissors and bring it out. So I bring it out like this. You can even use your hand. So I bring it out. The same thing, this one. I'm going to bring it out. So I'm done with it. So I will take one of this one I cut 15 inches at length. I will take it. Remember, it's 2. This one now is for the inner lining. Why this one is one that I'll be passing my elastic to. So I've put my hook on this elastic. I pass it like this. Like I said, it's not too hard, very easy. Within 45 minutes, you are done with this work. So I'm going to I'll take it to the machine now and sew it like this. Sew it like this to hold the elastic down. So I've passed the elastic inside. See how it is. After that, I sew it down and sew it this side. So make sure to let this sewing be at the down part, as in let it be equal like this at the middle side, the center. Yes. So this one I'm going to be passing this one. This is the lining, the inside, the inner lining. I'm going to be putting it inside this fabric here. So I will pass my hook like this and like this. I'm going to be passing it again inside this this the main fabric. I'm going to pass it all the way. I'm going to pass it and bring it out from this side. So remember, I start passing it from this side. This is a fabric. I pass it through to this side and bring it out. So I bring it to this side. Look at how volume it is. Like I said, this is 43. If you want the volume to be big, very big, you can make it 48. You can even make it 50, depending how big you want it to be. But if you want it like this one is a 43. It's okay like that. Depends your choice. Depends how you want it to be. It's very easy. Look at it. After that, make sure that this sewing part will be at the center like this. Let it be at the back. Like this. See what I'm doing here. It's very easy, like I said. Make sure that this center, turn it down like this for it to be at the bottom side. So this is how it is. So I'm going to be passing this rubber at this side here. So this is what I will do now. I will take this rubber, this one that I put elastic. Take this one. This is the inner lining. The inner line, the one I put inside this main fabric. I put it inside like this. It's gonna be like this. First, don't put this one yet. After that, I will go to my machine now and sew this side. The same thing. I'll come to this side again and let me explain it very well. I'm going to this side again here and put this side to this side and sew it. Don't sew this one. I'm not sewing this one. This is the one I'm sewing. The inner lining and this one, I put this one inside. This one I use the elastic for. I put it inside this place. I make sure I enter inside. I take it to my machine and make a stitch on it. I remember I passed it through here before. It's going to be like this. So I'm taking to my machine now to go and hold it down on this side, and I'll come and show you. Secure. I've used a sewing machine to hold it down here and this other side. So I'm going to be using this one here, the fabric, to cover the rough edge here. So this is what I'm going to be doing now. Sorry for this. Make sure that this sewing part here is going to meet with this particular one here. It's already there already. So I'm going to be, for me to cover this rough edge here, I'll pull it up. Like I said, make sure that these two jump together, these two sewing parts. I'll fold ½ inches. Just fold it like this. Fold ½ inches like this. So it's going to be like this. See what I did here. Let me repeat it again. This is the place I sewed. So I'm using this one to cover the rough edge. See what I did here. I turned this sewing piece. We joined together with this particular one, and I'm going to be folding half inches for this. Other side, half inches. Cover the rough edge of this elastic side. So this is it now. So here you come to this side. So this excess here, see what you're going to do. You fold it like this to this side, come to this side, you fold this side. So this is how it is now. So it has covered the rough edge of this side. You use your machine and make a stitch, sew it straight down. Look at how it is here. See it here. Sew it down. Sew it down. So I'm going to be sewing it here. I hope you understand what I did now. I fold half inches to cover the rough edge of this one. I fold half inch like this. Remember I said the sewing part at the bottom part, it will join together with this particular one. After folding this half, it's going to be like this. Just take it like this. See how it is. You fold it to the back side. You take this side again, you fold it again to the other back side, and take it to the machine and sew it straight. So when you turn the back side, see how it looks. Sew it down. So the same thing here. I was going to be, like I said that I'll be teaching these tutorials, this work step by step in a way that you understand it. So like I said again, to the other side, make sure that this sewing two part is together with this elastic side, and fold half inches. I fold half inches again, or to this side, fold it straight down, fold it again like this. So this is it. Now this excess that remain, that come out like this, after folding it, this excess that come out like this, what am you going to do? Fold it down. This other side, you fold it to this side and make a sewing, straight sewing like this. I'm done with the sewing. I've sewed it straight, and this is how it's come out. Thanks for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed before watching this video, please help me to subscribe on this channel, like this my video, and share my video. Please give it a try and see how it will come out. God bless you as you do so. I love you. Bye bye. Thank you. As you can see the styles, you can use it to go to church. You can use it for occasion. Like I said earlier, it's very easy to make. Give it a try and see how it come out. Thank you for watching it. Please, if you know you have not subscribed before watching this video, please help me to subscribe on this channel, like this my video, and share this my video. God bless you as you do so. Thank you very much.